Hi, ladies. How are we doing? My goodness, there's a lot of fruit flies in there. They really like your pumpkin, don't they? Come on, babies. There you are. Go enjoy it. Little Neo and her molt. She's down to one tail feather. One. You're a silly girl. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just showing everybody how silly your little sister is. But look, if I forget to move too long and I'm not moving to feed. Oh, thanks for the reminder. I'm already doing it, sweetie. I think Chloe thinks I have ADD. Yeah, according to Lid, this is butterscotch marble, which is my favorite. They're the right color. Or one of my favorites, I should say. So I know a few of you are still very new to chickens, newer than I am. And I just want to reassure you, Neo's not going to lay until she's done her molt, most likely. So she's not broody, there's nothing wrong. It just takes a lot of the resources to produce the new feathers. So you don't necessarily need them giving you eggs, especially when they're doing a quick molt, like this little girl seems to be trying to do. She's pulling her tail feathers out quick so that her new ones can come in. Probably the new ones coming in are a bit itchy, and that's why. Oh. Looks like I need to reseal this before winter gets here. Now, tried to catch that moth for Mare. Let's give it another try. She loves moths. No. I don't know why. Maybe they're like the Doritos of the chicken world. You know what, Mare? I think you're right. I think I can accidentally drop a few more right where you are. Oops. How did those fall there? I'm fairly certain I heard a little thank you peep from her. Oh, man. So yesterday was torrential all day. I basically got the materials for the bathroom renovation I'm working on. Well, the exterior wall of my bathroom of my 107-year-old farmhouse I rent had rotten out. And it was part to do with a bad renovation or repair the landlord had done a few years ago that I didn't know about. Or I didn't know he left it in the unfinished state, as well as there is a problem with rats and mice and squirrels that have chewed through the supports and stuff. So it's all dry rotted out and all that fun stuff, isn't it? Anyways, we are, well, the royal we being myself. 2 days ago, I managed to tear down 98% of the old rotting wood. Yesterday, my friend Kevin helped me pick up, deliver, and move the materials needed to behind my house, which is where the bathroom's located. And today, my big goal is to get the rest of the wood torn down, the old wood. Part of the reason I couldn't finish that is there are no 2x4 studs. The stud wall is totally gone on the left side. On the right side, it's just hanging on. So I need to build a temporary support so that the window doesn't rip out of the wall, so that the drywall is supported, so that then I can build a proper framed wall. But I've got to support the window temporarily enough that I can get the rest of the wood off. So that's today's task. Let's get that off and hopefully get the beginning of the frame up. All right, guys, I'm gonna call that it for today's video. I got a lot of work to do. I got a very sore body, which means I got to do it very slowly. Not my usual, but the nice thing is, because it's my house, it's not technically a paying job, I can take my time. The work comes out of rent, and it's not paid. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. I was talking with one of my subscribers yesterday, you know who it is. And I was just telling her how much I appreciate each and every one of you who watches, takes the time to comment, and when I replies back. It's just incredible to have the ability to have a conversation with somebody you'd never be able to do that with at any other point in time in history. So, if you want to talk about your chickens, if you want to talk about my chickens, I'd love to hear from you. I try to reply to everybody. I am missing some of my long-term subscribers who haven't commented in a while. I'd love to hear from you. Ruth, you're one of them. I haven't heard from you in a while. IT guy, I've heard from you recently, but always enjoy hearing from you guys. So please keep commenting, tell me what you think. And once the bathroom's done and a few other projects, you're going to start seeing a whole bunch of new, I guess we could call it a play set out here. I'm going to be building more furniture. I'm going to be building a set of these tables. What's up, sweet? Oh, am I standing on the seats? I'm sorry. Set of these tables that are going to be available for sale. I haven't decided how I'm going to sell them yet, but I'm going to sell some. I'm going to be building some seats and some little huts and stuff like that, to which I can also provide plans to, should you so desire, or even sell you the parts with some minor assembly required. So, going to be fun, do some experiment with the girls. I'd love your feedback on what you see, and we'll come up with something that hopefully will help you in your coop, whether you make it yourself or whether you buy from me to help support these lovely ladies. Okay guys, take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy. If you have one, hug a chicken. If not, hug any other animal. If you don't have an animal to hug somebody you love. All right, take care guys, bye.